was standing all alone, trying to find the words to say when every prayer he'd ever prayed was gone, and the dreams he's never owned are still safely tucked away. Until tomorrow he just carries on, carries on, carries on, carries on.
The devil on the streets at night. See him running in the pouring rain. See him grinning neath the twisted light. I'll be back again. See the people standing in a row. See them nodding like a field of grain. No one sees the sickle though coming across the plain. And this he knows, if nothing more, that waiting in the dark like destiny are those who kiss the dogs of war. And there is no tomorrow, no tomorrow. Take a chance, take a chance, yeah. See the devil, he is so intense. See the devil go and change his name. What's the going price of innocence? It can't be the same. Is it dark when the moon is down? Is it dark with a single flame? If there's glass falling all around, I am not to blame. And this he knows, if nothing more, that waiting in the dark like destiny are those who kiss the dogs of war. And there is no tomorrow, no tomorrow. Take a chance,
pictures at an exhibition played as he stood in his trance, staring at his inhibitions, all the time believing that it knocked him down to nothing but this chance. 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 Chance.
I fear you, your silence, your blindness. See what you want to see in darkness. One kindness, one moment. Tell me what you believe. I believe in nothing, never really had to. In regards to your life, rumors that are not true. Who's defending evil? Surely never I. Who would be the witness if you chance to die?
Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be. I am safe and so are you, as for the other's destiny. Father, can you hear me? This is not how it was meant to be.
Played as he stood in his trance, staring at his inhibitions, all the time believing that it knocked him down to nothing but this time.